one of the sexiest actors in Bollywood, Shahid Kapoor was spotted unveiling the first look of his much talked about movie Mausam at a suburban theatre in Juhu. Present for the event were Shahid's co-star Sonam Kapoor, director Pankaj Kapoor and Shahid's mommy Supriya Pathak. Wearing a pastel green gown, Sonam Kapoor looked like a Greek goddess with a silver headgear, while Shahid looked cool in a checkered shirt. Well, take a look at what the stars have to say about Mausam, the film of course.
We started shooting this film 2 years back and Dad ने मुझसे कहा था कि तू मूंछ उगाएगा इस रोल के लिए. तो पहले मैंने कहा था डैड मूंछ तो बहुत पुराने हीरोज उगाते थे. This is not.
My dad has a mustache.
But he's a legend. We're talking about us struggling actors right now. After that, yes, a few films have released जिसमें a lot of actors have sported mustaches. So it's interesting and it's nice to know that so many people thought about it in and around the same time. ये film मौसम जो है ये seasons of love के बारे में है. It's about the different emotions and the different situations that the two principal characters, मेरा character जो हरिंदर सिंह का है और लड़की का character जो आयत का है, what seasons of love they go through. That is the theme of the film. I flew an F-16. I don't think there's any other actor in the world actually who's flown an F-16. I think Tom Cruise ने जब Top Gun की थी, he flew an F-15. I was very fortunate to have that opportunity and what all goes into being an Air Force officer and into being a pilot.
मेरे माइंड में नहीं थे, शाहिद के लिए फिल्म लिखनी थी. मतलब थॉट ये था कि एक फिल्म ऐसी लिखी जाए शाहिद के लिए, लेकिन मैं लिखते हुए कभी किसी एक्टर को माइंड में रखता नहीं, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. इसी तरह से जब मैं फिल्म लिख रहा था तो उस प्रोसेस के अंदर देयर वाज नो गर्ल इन माय हेड. इट वाज द कैरेक्टर दैट वाज बीइंग रिटन. And after one had written the script, then one started thinking who could it be. And I think Sonam is the very first one who was approached to do this role.
We basically, Shahid and I didn't know each other at all. I met him like 4 or 5 times before I started the film.
We love and hate each other. And that is how we are.
Yeah.
Sonam?
Yeah.
Would you like to add anything to that?
I usually don't interact with any of my heroes. I think he's the first hero I've even interacted
आपने देखा मुझे पास बैठने दे रही है. It's a very big thing. You don't understand.
But I don't think there was any major fight. No, we were fighting about.
You yourself saying there are fights. Now you're saying there are no fights. You
no,
decide.
but it was about the clothes you're wearing, or what shoes you're wearing, or the slippers.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sonam has very high fashion standards. She doesn't entertain people whose fashion standards don't match hers. Therefore, you have to dress a certain way and look a certain way and get her approval on it. Fortunately, through the making of this film, I try to educate myself on that, and I hope that I have her stamp of approval now.
Yes.
Sonam.
Yes. Yeah.
Louder, louder.
Yes, he does. He does. It's true. He's the best dancer we have right now. And yeah, you can do an item number.
I tried very hard to request Dad that as an Air Force officer of the Indian Army, I should be doing an item song where I expose my body, and we should do it in and around an aircraft. You know, that was, I tried very hard, but you know, Dad felt that he would not want to do something like that in this film. Because like you said, this is going to be, and his attempt is to make a relevant film.
But you still
and he
made
thought
an
that
8-pack.
the effort was very irrelevant.
You still had an 8-pack through the film, right? He kept on.
Yeah, well, I tried very hard to show it, I was not loud.
Yeah, suddenly he's like, now can I open my shirt?